Hello everyone in YouTube land. Welcome to the narrated tour of Grandpa Stang's family farm. Here we have the driveway to get into the yard. Here we have the garden, freshly cut grass around it. The date is September 1st, 2008, 5 to 7. Riders won yesterday over the Blue Bombers. They're 7-2 for the season. They're defending Grey Cup champions. Here we have the garden, soccer field, barn painted about 2 years ago. Where that shelter is, up to about that car, that was the hockey rink in wintertime. Some round bales from a good hay crop. The merry-go-round that's split in half right there on Bones weekend. Been rebuilt. Here we have the ball diamond. Remains of the playground. Where that swing set is located, used to be the trampoline. Here we'll take you to the backyard. Also used as a one-bounce field. Back to the garden. Here we have the neighbors. Rob and Colette on the left. Gord on the right. Take you back into the Stang yard. Just down the house on this side is the bunnock court on the driveway. Good shot of the sun there.